Hi, Edwin Boyton here, and for those that know me, I do not like hype. I'm more a developer than a marketer, but I have to say I'm a little bit excited about a new feature that Amazon has released, but I will start by the beginning. Last week I was at the Amazon Associates page, and in the left sidebar I saw something new, and that was new Amazon trade-in program. And like I said, this is in the Amazon affiliate part. So I went to have a look, and I saw this, and it's all about Amazon opening up their trade-in stores for us as affiliates. And I will tell you a little bit more why I'm excited about it, but let me show you what it is. The Amazon trade-in store. It's the opportunity for anybody that has, for instance, an old laptop or a phone or books or video games and things like that, to trade it in at Amazon and get an Amazon gift card. And the trade-in is very easy. You get a free shipping label from Amazon, and as a visitor it's perfect, because you want to buy a new phone or a new laptop, and that means that you also have, in most cases of course, have an old one, and normally you would go to eBay or Craigslist and all the hassle with that. But with Amazon it's a lot easier, and you can use the gift card to buy a new item. But for us as affiliates it's more important, and I'll tell you why. As an affiliate, you try to get a sale for a new product, of course, but in this case it means you earn more from your visitor, because the ones that buy a new product often have also an old product. So you get, as an affiliate, even commission on the old products that normally you wouldn't get. So this will earn you more money. And this is why I'm excited about it, because Amazon gives us, and they are perfect in this, because they want us as affiliates to earn more, so we send more traffic to them and they make more sales and stuff like that. But they really know what to look for, and in this case I think they opened up a whole new game for us as affiliates, and they tell you how to use it. And of course you can use banners. They created some nice banners, but they also indicate themselves, so this is on Amazon, how to use it the best way, and that is to use it in product content. So if you have a site that reviews something, for instance a phone or a laptop or some books and things like that, they say add in your content the links to the Amazon trade-in store, and it gives you the links how to do it and where to go. And I advise you to use it. If you're not going to use our plugin, which makes things a lot easier, do use it. Do add the links to the trade-in store, because it's easy money. It's like I said, in most cases, if somebody wants to buy a new product, a new electronic product, it means they have an old one and they're not happy with it. And especially with phones, I know in my environment, friends and family, there are a lot of ones, and I'm not included that because I still have my old Samsung Galaxy 2, but there are a lot of people, and especially the younger ones, that always buy a new phone, and it means they have the old phone and they want to get rid of it, and this is the easiest way, and it makes you money. But like I said, you can use it manually, and if you have just one post, then for all just use it manually. But most of us as Amazon affiliates, we have sites with a lot of posts, a lot of different posts, a lot of different categories, and creating links in your content afterwards is a lot of work. And that is where I come in. I don't like to spend hours upon hours in work that can be done in a few minutes. So what I did with Mike, my best friend, online is I created a plugin that's called AzonTradeKing. And this plugin will make it a breeze to add those content that Amazon says you should add in just a minute. And I will show you how it works, and let me go to the back end of the demo site. In this case, I installed the plugin already, so that was plugin, add new, and I selected the plugin and I uploaded it. And what happened after that was there was a new item in the menu that called AzonTradeKing. The first time you go there, it will ask for your license ID, which you see on after you buy it on the member area, and you enter that, and then you get on this screen where you can add a new trading campaign. And let me show you, it's really a bare demo site, so normally there will be a lot of posts and things like that and a lot of categories, but this is just for the demo. And I made it like this. You can enter your Amazon Associate ID, and it can always be a tracking ID, and I advise you to use a tracking ID because that way you can manage and see very clearly where the money comes from Amazon. And I made it like this because I can see that you want to track even with the trade-ins special which posts gets you more trade-ins and things like that. So you can use different trade-ins, so you don't have to use always the same tracking ideas, but you can change that. So if you enter it, and then you have the categories that Amazon has for now, the trade-in options, and they expanded it, but for now it's electronics, books, video games, music and movies and TV. And electronics is very broad, so phones, laptops, stuff like that is all included in that. And let me put in the iPhone in this case. This is default text. You can change it to anything that you like. I added just to make it a little bit faster for you, but feel free to enter anything that you want to enter in the text. And I'm going over this. And of course you can style it, and you can enter any things like you want. There's also the HTML part, so that is all possible. Add everything that you like. And over here it asks in which category, and in this case we're talking about the iPhone. Where should it be? At the top, the bottom, or even both? Well, I'm selecting the bottom. If I'm going to use a border, which color should it be and which size? The color of the text, you can change that, and the background color of that, I will make it this. In this case, if you select a border width of 0 and the background color, leave it blank, then it will be the same as your text in your post. But I make it in this case something to stand out with a border and things like that. And if I enter submit, it will save it, and I will see this. And now if I go to the post, and this is review, I'm going to view it. This is the post part, and over here you see Amazon Trade-in and the text that I left like that. And if I click it, I'm going to Amazon Trade-in store for the iPhone. And that's it. The plugin will add this part of the text. This was the Samsung Galaxy, and I didn't. As you see, this is another category, and I didn't include that in the AzonTradeKing. So if I say, let me go to that post again. This is about the Android, and of course I would not leave the text at iPhone, but maybe you should say your old phone, and then if you don't want to separate them, then you can make it like this. And if I refresh it now, you will see the text, sorry, is here also. So this is really a matter of seconds. After you have set it up, any new post in a new category, in that category, will have that text. But you can also use it with a shortcode, and that means just copy paste this, and if I go to my dashboard and pages, and this is a sample page, the default one, and as you see there's nothing there, but the moment that I say, well, I want in my text also that part, it's just a matter of copy pasting the shortcode, click update, and if I'm going to view it, you will see in the text there's that trade-in part. So very easy to use, and I highly recommend it, even if you don't use the plugin. I shouldn't say this, of course, as a marketer, but this is going to make you more money from the visitors. So if you want an easy way to do it, use the plugin. It's as usual for our products, not highly priced, and I think it's really value for money. We got you with a 60-day no questions asked refund period. So if you're going to use it, make sure that you check if it's making your money, and I'm sure it will. But if not, just return it, no problem, and we got you a refund. But I'm sure that you're going to like this. Okay, if you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you very much.